Welcome back to my channel, everybody. I'm Leah. I own Skin Beautiful RX and I'm a licensed esthetician. My YouTube channel is dedicated to bring you all the information regarding topical treatments, interviews with formulators, ingredient knowledge so that you can create the perfect routine at home and get the skin you've always wanted. If you know me, you know this is really my passion, is creating customized routines so that you don't have to leave the comfort of your own home. I know not everybody has the resources, has the money, or the time to go into a spa every month. And as an esthetician, I'm aware of that. I don't even have that much time to do it. And that's why I really love bringing you topical treatments so that you can do them at home every single day and get the same exact results. Which brings me to today's video, which I'm so excited about because I get approached a lot to make ads or paid collaborations, and I always turn them down. I own Skin Beautiful RX, so the links in all of my videos I don't get commission from. They're just there so you have them. But this really piqued my interest, and it was an FDA-cleared, clinically proven treatment. And if you guys know, clinically proven means so much to me. You'll see that in a lot of my titles on YouTube, because that means if you follow the directions correctly, you will get the results that you want and that you're paying for. So I was like, you know what, I'm actually going to look into this because I'm really excited. So after I did that, I told the company I did not want payment. I was happy to test out their product, talk to you guys about it if I loved it, and they agreed. So I'm really excited because they did send the laser to me for free. So this is the Nira Laser, and I have been using this for a few weeks now. To make this video so you guys weren't confused, you're gonna see this on my Instagram and our Facebook group, and I just wanted to be transparent. I'm not being paid for this, but I am testing it out because I think this is going to be the perfect at-home product, at-home treatment that you can use daily, that if you don't want to get Botox or you have a lot of resting lines around the eyes, around the lips, this is the device that will help you treat those issues. Now, there are some topical skincare treatments that help, but once they're resting, it does take products like Botox or laser to at least smooth that out so the topical products can really work and keep it that nice even surface. So I was really excited about this because I know a lot of my clients don't want to get Botox and they don't want to get ablative lasers. I don't even get ablative lasers, and I probably never will. Now, I am a laser fan. I do love Cyton lasers in office. I love BBL and IPL, but I won't do ablative lasers on my skin, at least not at this time. And the Nira, actually clinically proven, promises those same results that you can get in office without the downtime, without the ablation. Minutes a day, you can get the same exact results. So of course I was like, yes, please let me try this. Please send it to me. I'm so excited. So I have not used this the full 90 days. It is guaranteed for 90 days. You get the results you want or money back, which I think is absolutely incredible. I did at least want to introduce you guys to this product, so when you see it on social media, you're not like, oh, Leah, what are you using? You don't sell that. What is this? So yes, I do not sell this. I am testing this out for Nira, and I'm excited to talk to you guys about it today. So as I mentioned, this is FDA cleared and clinically proven to not only treat fine lines and wrinkles, but it actually builds collagen by heating the dermis. And it does this without causing trauma to the skin, causing redness. It actually helps with inflammation, and there is no pain. So this is a patented non-ablative, non-fractional laser that you can use at home every single day to get great results. Now, what we mean by non-fractional is that it treats on the entire projected area to treat brown spots, fine lines and wrinkles, induce collagen production, and it doesn't cause trauma to the skin. Now, it does have a little bit of heat, and if you've ever had in-office laser, you can kind of feel that little snap on the skin. It doesn't hurt, but you do definitely feel this, which is fine with me because then I'm like, oh, it's definitely working. It is a super gentle product that you use around the eyes. I've been using it around the lips. I've been even using it like on my forehead and my crow's feet just because I can. But primarily, I think this is going to be a great product to really help anybody who doesn't get Botox that has crow's feet or smoker's lines around the mouth that want to use this product to smooth those areas out. So how this works is just like a regular laser. This penetrates through the epidermis, or the uppermost layer of our skin, and it's then absorbed in the dermis, or our alive skin, where we can actively promote collagen and where our elastin cells are located, and we can induce collagen production. Because this heats up to about 46 degrees Celsius, it actually triggers our body to start creating collagen. So it does very quickly, like in a snap, actually have a little burst of heat, but it is not anything intolerable. I did not find it intolerable, and I'm a sensitive little flower, so I definitely felt it, but it wasn't like, oh my gosh, I can never do this again. So I think normal people find it that like you don't even feel it at all. So every time you hit the button and it does this little zap and it does the little heat on your skin, it's penetrating through the epidermis and into the dermis and being absorbed. It's really just maximizing the communication between our cells, helping with fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots, without causing any type of skin issues such as inflammation. It's not going to be ablative, so you're not going to be bloody like a lot of in-office lasers. And most importantly, no pain. And if you do this every day for 2 minutes, in 90 days, you're going to see phenomenal results. I was really excited to see the before and afters provided on the Nira website. Also really excited to show you guys my updated progress using the Nira when I actually use it for the full time that I'm supposed to. But I can tell you I already have seen results, even though it's only been about 3 to 4 weeks. But because I do want to start like talking about this in some of my videos, telling you guys about it, I wanted to make this really quick introductory video regarding the Nira Laser. You know, it can take up to 5 minutes depending on like how quickly you go, how much you're treating, but it's so quick. You use it once a day. I've been using it at night. That's when I really sit in front of the TV. I do all of my important things I need to do regarding my skin. And I've actually really been enjoying this because I'm really excited at the progress I've seen, as well as really giving it that full 90 days that I've committed to, which is really important because to get the results, you're really gonna have to commit to this product to really, you know, get your full results. So this video will explain to you guys why you're seeing it on my social media, in some of my videos, or if I've been talking about it in our Facebook group. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you're excited to see my results below. If you have the Nira, what you think of it, let us know. And if you plan on purchasing this and giving it the 90 days, let me know below too, because I would love to do this with you. So guys, let me know what other questions you have for my update video, because I know, like I said, this was just an introductory video for you guys, and I can't wait to update you on my progress with the Nira. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.